It's boat rescue time. We got Evan right here. He's getting all of our gear together. See what we can do here. We got some rope, some come-alongs. We got some handyman jacks. See if we can get this guy out, right?
We're gonna get it. We got the tools. It's just a question of how hard we want it.
Let's see what happens. Check in with the guys in a few seconds when we're down there. Volume's better that way. As you can see, we're very serious people here.
Very serious. Off-duty firemen.
Off-duty firemen, definitely. No, just a bunch of river rats.
River rats that see a free boat.
See a boat, she's through those bushes. Got our handyman, like I said, rope, everything, GoPro, so we can show you guys this and see what happens here.
I can't even move it myself. So I was thinking we get the come along down in there.
On the asset?
Yeah. And or right here, right? Right here. And it's gonna swing it.
Or we try to get that nose.
I don't want to be on this side. I don't want to be on this side of shit. Alright, love you, brother. Scream at me so I can hear you. Ready? Okay. It's gonna go right now. I think. Good. Woo! She's coming! She's, oh! Keep winching her, keep winching her! Yeah! Oh! Okay! Let's see if we can move it together.
Yeah, it's coming.
I know. There's an oar. Ready? Watch out, let go of that, let go of that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Get away from that. Get away from that. Watch out, that thing can break. Yep, just get out of there. Get out of there. Is it holding? Hold on, it's still moving. It's still moving. Yes! Yes! Yep. Take 5-10 minutes, as long as there isn't a hole. Savages, dude. I don't care, dude. 35-minute video.
Free boat, 35 minutes.
How do you like my new boat? No, our new boat, excuse me. Our new boat.
Well, guys, me and Evan got her out.
That's right. Brand new boat.
Here's our new dory. Not bad. We'll
Proud
take her.
parents.
Very proud parents.
Proud parents.
Lady Lynn,
Afro.
if you are the owner to this, here's your serial code. This is your boat, it is yours. Give us a little finder's fee because we worked our asses off getting it out. But besides that, we'll keep it if nobody claims it. Surprised that it just got left there, but it got left there. So, she's a beaut, Clark.
It's a beaut.